Hello students, welcome to the biology class. Today we are going to start with the human reproduction. You know, human reproduce by sexual method. Male and female sex are different in different bodies. So for today's our topic is male reproductive system. So let's see how does it function, what is the structure of male reproductive system. So let's draw a boy. So let's draw a body of a boy. This is our boy. The male reproductive system is situated outside the abdominal cavity. देखिए जो body cavity है उससे outside कुछ organs, mostly organ जो male के, they are situated outside the body cavity and they are slightly connected to the, we will see in detail. This is the male reproductive system. This is the male reproductive system situated in the pelvic region. Situated in this pelvic region. Situated in this pelvic region. Abdominal cavity से बाहर pelvic region में reproductive system attached है. Although cavity से abdominal cavity से slight connections है, which we will see. So let's zoom into this part. We are watching male reproductive system from one side like this, and we are focusing our attention on this particular part, reproductive structure, and we are observing it from side. अभी ये front से है, now we are watching it from side view. यहाँ पर we are having a pair of testes. The first organ in male reproductive system is testes, a pair of testes. You are watching one testis, but actually it is present two. There are present one and two testes. These testes are main sex organs of male because sperms are produced here. Now what happens? Let me draw the diagram. We will study. This is side view of male reproductive system. So let's study function and structure of each organ one by one. This is the testes. This spherical structure, oval structure is testes. So the first thing we have to discuss is about the testes. Male is having a pair of testes. See, this is a side view, but on another side, if you see male from this side, two testes will be present. In the side view only one is seen. So we are having a pair of testes. We are having a pair of testes. And testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity. देखिए ये body cavity है, ये body से बाहर hang करता है. Testes is situated outside the body cavity. It is situated inside the scrotum. Inside the scrotum. It is situated inside the scrotum. What is scrotum? This sac-like structure which hangs from the body. It is hanging from the body and it is seen externally. We can see externally scrotum, but testis is situated inside to it. We have the scrotum. Scrotum is a sac-like structure inside which our testes are situated. So what is the function of scrotum? See, testes have to produce sperms. फंक्शन ऑफ टेस्टिस क्या है? जो मेल गैमीट्स है स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन इसका फंक्शन है, इसका फंक्शन है बच्चों स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन। एंड स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन रिक्वायर अ लोअर टेम्परेचर, स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन रिक्वायर अ लोअर टेम्परेचर, स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन रिक्वायर अ लोअर टेम्परेचर देन द बॉडी, इसको बॉडी से लोअर टेम्परेचर चाहिए। दैट इज वाई टेस्टिस आर सिचुएटेड आउटसाइड द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी। और टेस्टिस मेंटेन स्क्रोटम मेंटेन्स द टेम्परेचर ऑफ टेस्टिस। विंटर में और समर में टेम्परेचर्स बाहर का अलग अलग है, बट इट विल एक्ट एज अ थर्मो रेगुलेटर, इट विल एक्ट एज अ थर्मो रेगुलेटर टू प्रोवाइड अ कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर। अगर ज़्यादा गर्मी होगी, समर हीट होगी, तो ये लूज हो जाएगा, स्क्रोटल सैक विल लूज टू हैंग मोर लाइक दिस, टू इट विल बिकम लूज, द स्किन विल बिकम लूज, सो दैट temperature remains constant, and when there is winter it will shrink, it will become tightly arranged, so that temperature is maintained. So scrotum maintains the temperature, scrotum gives the required temperature for sperm formation, scrotum provides the required temperature from sperm formation. It is clear? This is testis, this organ which is situated inside the scrotum. We can't see testis outside, we can see only the hanging sac-like structure scrotum. Now, and sperm is the primary sex organ in male. Sperm is the primary sex organ in male. Primary sex organ, what is primary sex organ? The sex organ which produces the gametes. In female it is ovary, in male the primary sex organ is testis, which produces the sperm. Now, second organ is what we have to study now. Can you see? From testis there is a tube going like this, there is a tube going like this, let me color it this. There is a tube in which sperms are stored, this tube, there is a structure, there is a duct, this tube. This is epididymis, this is epididymis, the second structure, this is epididymis, this is epididymis. It stores the sperm. Once sperms are formed, but अभी बॉडी से रिलीज नहीं हुआ है, सेक्सुअल एक्ट इंटरकोर्स नहीं हुआ है, till then epididymis stores the sperm. What does epididymis do? It stores the sperm. Epididymis stores the sperms. So sperms are stored here in epididymis. From epididymis, sperms will go here. From epididymis, sperm will go here into these tubes. I'm sorry, it is not clearly visible. There is this tube. There is a tube. This hole is traveling, which is going inside the abdominal cavity. This is a tube. ये abdominal cavity के अंदर तक जाएगी, urinary bladder से तक एक loop बनाएगी. This is urinary bladder. तो यहाँ से ये जो tube जा रही है, this tube goes into the abdominal cavity, loops over the bladder, and then goes further. ओके तो आइए अब इसे हम देखते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं. दिस ट्यूब इज द थर्ड स्ट्रक्चर वी आर सीइंग हियर. दिस इज वास डेफरेंस, दिस इज वास डेफरेंस, दिस ट्यूब, दिस इज वास डेफरेंस, दिस इज वास डेफरेंस. It is just a tube-like structure, pipe-like structure which carries the sperm. So how does it travels? Let me see. It will move to the abdominal cavity. It will loop over the urinary bladder. Then it continues. Ultimately, it merges with urethra. You know urethra. It is a part of the excretory system. Ultimately, it merges with urethra. But इससे पहले, it receives secretion from the seminal vesicle. It receives secretion from the seminal vesicle. We will see what is the function. सेमिनल वेसिकल का क्या फंक्शन है. ये यहाँ पर एक ग्लैंड है, दैट इज प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड, एंड हेयर दिस इज काउपर्स ग्लैंड, here this is penis, here this is penis. Now we will see function of each and every organ one by one. Vas deferens we were discussing na. This tube is vas deferens. It is carrying sperms. It is carrying sperm into the abdominal cavity. वहाँ से ये loop बनाएगी, ultimately ये urethra में join हो जाएगी. And urethra का function क्या है? Urethra will ultimately move the sperms out of the body. Ultimately sperms will travel and it from urethra it will go outside the body during the sexual intercourse, during the sexual act. So let's talk about vas deferens. It is, what is the function? Conduction of sperm. What is the function of vas deferens? Conduction of sperms. The function is conduction of sperms. Conduction of sperms. ठीक है, ये है हमारा vas deferens. Then there are glands. Then there are glands. Sex glands, which include seminal vesicles, prostate gland and Cowper's gland. See, sperm तो इसने रिलीज कर दिया. Sperms are cells. Sperm are just cells, gametes. Okay, but sperm requires energy. Sperm requires energy, nutrition for their motility, because उन्हें बहुत long distance travel करना है, तो उन्हें न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए. वो न्यूट्रिशन और एनर्जी कहाँ से आता है? दे आर प्रोवाइडेड विद दीज ग्लैंड्स, दिस सेमिनल वेसिकल, दिस प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड एंड दिस काउपर ग्लैंड्स. सो दे प्रोवाइड न्यूट्रिशन. They provide nutrition for the movement of sperm. Sperm has to move a long distance. Sperm has to very energetic. So nutrition is provided by these glands. We are having a pair of seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle present in a pair. यहाँ पर एक ही दिख रही है, because it is a side view, but actually it is present in pair. Prostate gland is single. Sorry, Cowper's are two. Prostate gland is single. So human male is having a pair of seminal vesicle, a pair of Cowper's gland and a single prostate gland. These glands add secretion to the sperm. Sperm cells are coming, they will add secretion. What they add? जब glands अपना secretion डाल देगी sperm में, then it is known as semen. So semen is what? Semen is the whitish liquid which male releases. That is semen. What is semen? Sperms plus the fluid released by these glands. Did you understand? यहाँ से बच्चों sperm आ रहा है, इसने अपना secretion रिलीज करा, इसने रिलीज करा, इससे रिलीज करा, तो वो लिक्विड जिसमें sperm है, उस पूरे लिक्विड प्लस sperm को semen कह रहे हैं. Semen is sperm plus secretion from the glands. Sperm plus secretion plus the fluid part plus the liquid part, that is semen. And what does these glands actually add to the semen? They add calcium fructose. They add calcium, they add fructose, they add calcium, they add fructose and some enzymes which are required for the motility and functioning of sperm. These glands, prostate, Cowper's and seminal vesicle, they add calcium, fructose and some enzymes which are required for sperm functioning. Now let's move to the next part. Now what is going to happen? So vas deferens have received the secretion of glands. Now it merges with the urethra. It merges with the urethra to form a common passage, and urethra will open outside the body through a urethral opening, or you can say external urethral meatus. External urethral meatus. You don't need to learn this particular name, it is just urinary opening. तो मेल में क्या है, जहाँ से यूरिन बाहर निकल रहा है बॉडी से, वहीं से स्पर्म बाहर निकल रहे हैं. सो वी कैन स्टडी यूरेथ्रा. सो ह्यूमन मेल हैव अ कॉमन ओपनिंग फॉर स्पर्म एंड यूरिन. ह्यूमन मेल हैव कॉमन ओपनिंग फॉर sperm and urine. Common opening for sperm and urine. Sperm और यूरिन के लिए एक ही ओपनिंग है बच्चों, दिस एक्सटर्नल यूरेथ्रल ओपनिंग. यहाँ से स्पर्म बाहर रिलीज होंगे. एंड व्हाट इज दिस स्ट्रक्चर? What is this structure actually? This is the penis. What is the function of penis? Last part we have to discuss is penis. It is the male copulatory organ. It is the male copulatory organ. It is the male copulatory organ. It is the male copulatory organ means जब फीमेल और मेल में सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स होना है तो ये मेल फीमेल की वेजाइना में इसी पार्ट से this part will penetrate into the vagina of female. This part will penetrate into the vagina of female so that sperm can be released into the female reproductive system. Clear? Penis is the male copulatory organ which will be inserted into vagina during sexual act so that sperms are inserted into vagina, into the female reproductive tract. It is, this hole is penis, it is the male copulatory organ. और एक चीज़ आप ध्यान से देखिए, आपके एनसीईआरटी में भी दिखाई है, मैंने यहाँ पर्पल से जो ये दिखाया है, ये पेनिस का ही टिश्यू है, पीनस का ही टिश्यू है, इरेक्टाइल टिश्यू होता है ये बच्चों, इरेक्टाइल टिश्यू. व्हाट डज इट मीन इरेक्टाइल टिश्यू? दैट ड्यूरिंग सेक्सुअल एक्साइटमेंट, ड्यूरिंग सेक्सुअल एक्साइटमेंट, दीज हेयर आर स्पेसेस, इस टिश्यू में बच्चों स्पेसेस होती हैं. दिस स्पेसेस गेट्स फिल्ड विद ब्लड so that penis becomes erect. Let me draw here. What will happen during sexual excitement? जो वो स्पेसिस है बच्चों, ये जो टिश्यू है ना, जो एनसीईआरटी में भी अलग से दिखाया है, बुक में मैंने भी यहाँ दिखाया है पर्पल, इसके अंदर एम्प्टी स्पेसिस होते हैं. ड्यूरिंग सेक्सुअल एक्साइटमेंट दे गेट्स फिल्ड विद ब्लड. These spaces gets filled with blood. Due to filling of blood, the penis becomes erect. See, pronunciation different. Some call it penis, some call it penis. The penis becomes erect so that it can be inserted into the female reproductive system. Or ultimately, penis will become erect. It will be inserted into female reproductive system, and from here, sperms will be released into the body of female. This is all about the male reproductive system. So let's revise it. This is testis. It produces the sperms. This is epididymis. यहाँ maturation होगा sperms का, storage होगा sperms का. Then this is a tube vas deferens which will convey the sperms. Vas deferens जो testis से बाहर ले जा रही है सब. Vas deferens will join into urethra. Urethra से ही sperm बाहर आएंगे. This is पेनिस, द मेल कोपुलेटरी ऑर्गन, एंड इरेक्टाइल टिश्यू है, इसमें जो इरेक्ट हो जाएगा सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स के टाइम. और ये ग्लैंड्स है बच्चों. ग्लैंड्स कौन कौन सी है? 2 सेमिनल वेसिकल, 1 प्रोस्टेट, 2 काउपर्स ग्लैंड विच फॉर्म द सीमन. दे ऐड सिक्रीशन टू द स्पर्म्स, एंड व्हाट थिंग्स दे ऐड? कैल्शियम, फ्रक्टोज एंड सम एंजाइम्स. So this is all about the male reproductive system. We have done with it. In the next class we will be dealing with female reproductive system. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends, take care.